We're Meat and Bone, and today we're making Mediterranean Branzino in your cast iron skillet. And today we're going to be using the Victoria Cast Iron Signature Series 12-inch skillet. The reason that you want to use cast iron for a recipe like this is that cast iron holds on to the heat very well. So when you take that branzino, or really any other protein, and you flip it over, you know that the cast iron skillet is still hot, and therefore you don't lose any time with a cooler skillet that needs to get back up to the right temperature. Secondly, the Victoria Cast Iron skillet is naturally seasoned with flaxseed oil. This means that they don't use any type of chemical coating. This way, you know that when you're cooking your steak or your veggies or anything else, you're using a natural surface and you're avoiding any toxic chemicals.
Branzino is a very popular fish served in high-end restaurants. This white fish presents a light, flaky taste that is mildly sweet. The meat of the branzino is very delicate, which helps it fall apart in your mouth with every bite. Our branzinos are sourced from the Mediterranean Sea and come with the skin on. Today, we are cooking this branzino using the Victoria Signature Series skillet. They are built using a proprietary Spherrous Iron Technology, which makes the skillet literally unbreakable. Available in soft finish with skin texture, optimal to hold seasoning, and perform well in a wide range of temperatures. Available also in polished finish with the same approach and polished by hand.